Hi, my name's Ashley Reddings. I'm a makeup artist in Toronto, and today Valeria and I are going to show you 4 cool new makeup looks for spring. These looks are all meant to be accessible and easy and fun. Focus on clean, fresh, glowy skin and go from there. Everyone has seen an inner corner highlight, but we take it to the next level by using a colored pigment. With the rest of the eye bare, this makes it super dramatic and a little unusual. If you haven't played with pigment before, now's the time. It seems a little intimidating and kind of messy, but it's actually inexpensive and really versatile. I used 2 of MAC Cosmetics' most popular pigments, Rose and Vanilla, to create this look. First, I laid the rose color down on the inner corner of the eye and blended upwards. Then I layered the vanilla color over top. The iridescence in the vanilla pigment makes for a super great highlighter over top of the cheekbones and above the lip. Finish with a clear gloss and you're good to go. With no other color on the eyelid, this makes it super unique and really dramatic. Using Chanel's new lip blush, we created spring's biggest lip look, the Ombre Lip. This product is so cool because it can be used on the cheeks and the lips for a perfect stain. It can be layered for more color or sheared out for a really pretty flush. With 3 little swipes on the cheek, I blended it out with my fingers and then softened the edge with a beauty blender that I had previously used for her foundation. For the Ombre Lip, the application was almost the same as the cheek. I apply the product only to the inside of the lips. Think about where your mouth stains when you're eating a popsicle. That's where you want the color to be concentrated. Chanel's lip blush is so good for this look because it won't transfer onto the teeth like a traditional lipstick would. It stains the inside of the lip and lasts all day. The color should really dissipate towards the outside of the edges of the lips. We press the lips together and then use a fluffy brush to soften the edges. This also helps create a more full looking lip because you can't really see the defined edges. I was so excited to put a colored mascara on Valeria because I knew it was something she wouldn't reach for on her own. Mascara is one of those products that women become really committed to. We love the one we love and we reach for it time and time again. So it's outside of people's comfort zone to reach for a different brand, let alone another color. I started this lash look with a primer because I wanted the blue to stand out, and it did help with lengthening and volume, but I will say the pigment was excellent and you could see the blue right out of the tube. And I think that's why this L'Oreal Voluminous in Cobalt Blue works so well. The formula is already really popular in black, so when they reach for one other color, you know it's going to be good. I recommend not trying to match the mascara color to your eye color. So for Valeria's green eyes, I knew that blue would look excellent. If you've got blue eyes though, maybe give a purple mascara a try.
Well, I kind of like it a lot.
What I love about colored mascara is that from further away, it sort of reads like a colored eyeliner, except it's way easier to put on. It's not until you get up close to somebody that you realize it's the mascara that's different. For lighter colored lashes, just make sure you get really close to the lash line so you aren't seeing a gap. We didn't add anything else to Valeria's eyes. No liner, no color on the lid, just the blue mascara to stand out. To add a smoky eye for spring, but with a twist. We wanted this to have a little bit of color, because after this cold, sad winter, we all need a little bit of color. A lot of brands have these chubby pencils that are the best for a quick smoky eye, but my favorite are definitely Charlotte Tilbury's Color Chameleon. The trick to this product is to have one clean brush nearby that you can blend with. The brush will help make the edges soft while packing the product onto the eyelid. To up the intensity and finish the smoky eye, I like to have a really rich but smooth liner line the eyes afterwards. In this case, my go-to is again Charlotte Tilbury's Rock and Coal in Elizabeth Violet. Charlotte Tilbury's Color Chameleon in Dark Pearl works on a lot of different eye colors because it's not a straight up purple, it's got a little bit of bronze to it. It's really beautiful.